In the dense jungle, a chameleon named Charlie bragged about his camouflage skills. "Watch this," he said, blending into a leaf. A parrot squawked. "Impressive, but can you hide from a hungry jaguar?" Charlie chuckled. "Easy." Suddenly, a jaguar appeared, sniffing around. Charlie froze, turning the exact shade of the leaf. The jaguar paused, confused, then sneezed, blowing Charlie off the branch. "Bless you," Charlie quipped, landing safely on another leaf. The jaguar, bewildered, muttered, "I swear I saw a talking leaf." Charlie winked at the parrot. "See? Works every time."